Hey guys, so in this video I'll be comparing two budget stylish phones from Oukitel and Ulefone, the Ulefone Note 16 Pro versus the Oukitel C33. Both devices are very cheap, very affordable. They cost about $100 or so, and of course they are very stylish, good looking smartphones. So I'll compare the specs of the two devices to see which is best. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it.
Perfect.
So that's all for the video. Which of the two devices do you think is best? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.